Hi there and welcome to this video looking at Padlet. So in this video we're going to have a look at what Padlet is exactly. We'll also look at accessing Padlet and also navigating around and creating our own Padlets. So the first question is what it is, and I think the best way to describe it is as like a notice board or a cork board. But it's an electronic cork board where students and staff can come along and they can post pictures. They can also post videos, they could also post written text, or they can upload files as well. So that's what it is. In later videos we'll look at some teaching and learning applications for Padlet, but for now, just for this video, we're going to look about logging in. So you can sign up and create your own Padlet account. Alternatively, your college or school may have their own account that you can use. So I'm just going to log in, just bear with me a second. And when you first come in, you can take a 55-second tour if you like. I'm not going to bother with that, I'm just going to skip. And this should take me to my dashboard. So as you can see, I've already created a few Padlets here, but what you'd probably want to do when you first start off is go to this section here and create new Padlet. So let's click on that, and this is what you'll see: my fancy Padlet made with charm. So you can change the title, and you can also change the description, or if you want, have no description whatsoever. So I'm just going to leave this without a description. Next, if you scroll down, so we've got the title, the description, we have a choice of layout. We can have it in free form, where the post can be moved around. We could have it in a grid format, which goes from left to right, with each new post going in the top left. Or we could have it similar to like Facebook or a Twitter feed, where it's streamed, with the most recent post staying on the top. For now I'll just keep it freeform, keep it as the default. Next we have the background or the wallpaper. You can see here there are 4 options. If you click more, you'll see that there are some more options here. So what I'd recommend here, if you are choosing a background, keep it consistent throughout the course, so that the students realise, okay, when I'm on X course, it's got a green background. So I'm going to go for the green one. Just go back now, I've chosen the wallpaper. You can scroll down, forget about the themes, forget about the icons, forget about everything else to be honest, and then just click next. Something went wrong. There we go. If that happens, just click again. And then you have some options for privacy. By default it will be secret. If you want to add a password for your students, you can add that here. You can also choose what people do with access. They can read it, they can write, they can also moderate. Let me get rid of that. I don't actually want the password either. I'm just going to keep it secret for now. And you've also got this option where they can clone it or remake it. By default I take that off. So I keep this as it is, so the default secret, can write, and then next. And that's it. I can start posting now. So as I mentioned, it's kind of like a notice board. So if you double click, you can then put a title, and then you can write. Yeah, this one's free form, so it can be moved around. Double click again, and if you wanted to, you could upload an image. So again, choose file and find an image. I wonder what this one is. And finally, if you wanted to, you could upload a video. You'll see those in other videos. If you click on the top left, oh, by the way, if you want to delete, click here. And again, if you want to edit, click here. If you want to delete, just click on the trash can. click Padlet now in the top left, and this will take me back pretty slow. And there you can see I've got my newest Padlet. So that's it. That's just a quick overview of what Padlet is and also how to navigate around and create your own Padlet. One more thing to mention is this share button up here. Oh, by the way, you can look at the cog to modify things if you do want to add a description. Click here. You've got some more options here of sharing, embedding. What I tend to do is click on this share, click share here, and you've got a series of options. You can have the link or you can get the embed code. You can also save it as different options. Okay, so that's about it. I'll see you in the next video where we look at some teaching applications. Thanks for watching.